What's up? Before we start the video for today, as promised, I'll run the numbers for the last video for the Lake Charles house. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave the last video in the description down below. Make sure y'all go click it. Here are the numbers. Purchase price $98,000. Appraisal price $142,000. We bought this house at 69% of the appraisal value. The rental rate $1,500 to $1,800. Why is it $1,500 to $1,800? Because it's a mile away from the university, and we can rent out each of the rooms for like $450, or we could just rent it to, so that would be $1,800, or I could just rent it to a family for $1,500. All right. I showed y'all the land on the side. I can buy a mobile home for $15,000. Installed everything, electricity ran, water ran, sewer ran, all that, and I can rent that out for $1,000. So we can make $2,500 to $2,800 on this property. Let me know if y'all think it's a good deal in the comments down below. Enjoy the video. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of what we have going on Cleveland Street with the two houses. Let's go start right here. They fixed the foundation. Right here, the house is a little level. Let's check out the inside. All right, we're on the inside. As y'all can see, we got sheetrock going up. Y'all look on this side. I added another room. Come take a look. Right here, before was just dead space, so we added value by adding another room. This is gonna be the third bedroom. It's a nice size, pretty much the same size as the other two. Now the second bedroom, they got the plumbing right here. Come take a look. Got the plumbing right here for the shower. Your main living room, right here, right when you walk in the house. All right, this is the bathroom. Shower. If y'all look in the previous videos, they used to have doors right here for each of the rooms. I closed that to make the bathroom a lot bigger, have more space for cabinets and all that. Toilet, we got the vanity. Right here's the dining room. In the kitchen. Well, then we'll keep the cabinets, probably paint them white, not too sure yet. Right here's the third bedroom. They used to have a shower right here. We're gonna fix all that when we put the flooring. Right here is just some extra storage for whoever moves in. Water heater, we got wash and dry, and then storage. So it's coming out pretty good. This is about a couple feet away from college campus, so it might be for college students, or might just rent out to somebody else. I guess we'll see. So. All right, for the outside, we're taking all the burglar bars off. We're gonna paint the outside. This right here is nice curb appeal, but I don't know. It's kind of bent. I'm gonna see what we can do. See if we can straighten it out, keep it and paint it. Again, take the burglar bars off, and that's a wrap for this. Put the siding back. That'll be it. Right here for this building, which is storage for me. Just gonna paint it. Now we can walk to the other house. Take the burglar bars off. It's 3 bedroom, 1.5 bed. Let's take a look inside. Alright, we entering this house from the side door. We're entering, this is the kitchen right here. Got wash and dry right here. The tenants just moved out of this house on Friday. They was only paying $600 a month, so they had to go. What we're gonna do right here is put this back. Paint the cabinets. Just clean up in here. This house not too bad. This is the master bedroom right here. This floor is messed up, so we're probably gonna go with something right over. I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. Y'all stay tuned to find out. We're walking into the hallway. This is the first bathroom. It's kind of dark. I ain't turned the power on yet. We got to clean that up. That look nasty. We got to add a vanity. Took the vanity out. There's the living room right here. Floors are nice. We're just gonna paint. Paint the roof. Add another ceiling fan. Right here we got the second bedroom. Floors are nice, again, just paint. Then we got a half bath right here. Alright. It's the third bedroom here. So the floors are still good. We're gonna keep the floors, clean them up. First paint all throughout. And yeah, I was about a ceiling fan, but that light fixture is good. This right here is the closet. This closet is for this bedroom right here and the master, because the master don't have a closet, so they share this big closet right here. That's pretty much it for this house on the inside. Like I said, we're gonna paint the whole inside, clean up this floor, paint the cabinets, and then change the flooring. Or if I could find the same tile, I'll just switch these couple up, all the cracked ones. That's pretty much it for this house on the inside. Let's go check out the outside. Well, on the outside, we gotta fully paint the whole thing, take the burglar bars off, Christmas lights gotta come on. The roof getting kind of old. What I'm gonna do is put sheet metal up there. It lasts a little longer. I won't do it now though. I'll probably do it later. That's it though. That's it for this house. Check this out. I got this whole pallet right here for 117 bucks. I'm here at the Patterson Street house. We're doing a little pill and stick tile. Decided to make a third bedroom here, so we added a window. We decided to make this a bedroom Friday, so a couple days ago. So I'm just trying to lay this tile real quick, very cheap. The tenant is supposed to move in about 2 days, so I'm trying to finish this up tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed that video today. Don't forget, if you know a friend that's interested in real estate, please share the video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I got more heat coming. I'll see you on the next video.